How to fix Files app not working on iPhone. If the Files app on your iPhone is not working properly, then let's get started. First of all, quit and reopen the Files app. If the Files is frozen or blank, then all you have to do is swipe the Files app to force close it, then simply reopen it and see if things work. After you do so, all you have to do is restart your iPhone. Hold the side button plus volume or just side button depending on model and power off, then power on again. It is simple but often effective. Then if this also does not work, then reinstall the File app. Though File is a built-in system app, you can remove it and reinstall via the App Store in newer iOS version. This can clear corrupted app data or settings. So after reinstalling, open Files again and check if it behaves correctly. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.